Pythagorean theorem. The derivation of Pythagorean theorem states that for any right triangle, the sum of the square of the two perpendicular sides is equal to the square of the longest opposite side. The leg measures A and B and length of the hypotenuse C. The theorem formula is expressed in the form A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So, ang area ng A plus B squared ay itong larger square. BA, AB, and BA.
Nice.
And then, yung sa 4 and 1/2 AB, ito yung mga triangle nila. And then yung sa C squared, ito yung nasa loob. So, para ma-expand, gagawin natin na ifofoil. So, A times squared equals A squared plus A times B times squared equals to AB.
B squared.
And then, B times squared equals B squared. So, pag tinimes yung so, ito, banda dito, 4 times 1/2 AB, magiging 2AB. And then, kakopy na lang yung C squared. Para matira yung C squared dito, ita-transport mo yung 2AB sa kabila. So, ito na yon. So, similar terms, di ba sila? So, maka-cancel out yan. So, ito na yung matitira. A squared plus B squared equals C squared.